Have you ever been captivated by a book, poem, painting, or song that transported you to another world? A world so vivid, so rich in culture and storytelling that it felt like you were there, experiencing it firsthand? If so, you've likely encountered the incredible talent that has emerged from the tiny island nation of Jamaica. This small Caribbean country, with its diverse ethnic influences and powerful traditions, has produced an astonishing array of literary geniuses, poetic masters, artistic visionaries, and musical icons whose impact has reverberated across the globe. In this captivating journey, we'll share the lives and iconic works of 12 trailblazing Jamaican figures who have stamped their indelible mark on the world's cultural landscape. Authors, from the moment you open their spellbinding books, Jamaican authors have an unparalleled way of enveloping you in their vibrant, complex world. Marlon James, winner of the prestigious 2015 Man Booker Prize, is a true master storyteller. His narratives so compelling they transport you to another time and place. His bold, uncompromising novel, A Brief History of 7 Killings, weaves an intricate, multi-generational tale of violence, betrayal, and the indomitable human spirit against Jamaica's turbulent history. Andrea Levy's critically acclaimed novels offer poignant, unflinching examinations of identity, displacement, and the struggles of the Jamaican diaspora. Born in London to Jamaican parents, her Orange Prize-winning Small Island not only navigates the experiences of Jamaican immigrants in post-war Britain, but also shines a light on the injustices and harsh realities they faced while seeking to belong in the mother country. Yet it also celebrates their resilience and triumphs, inspiring us with their stories of overcoming adversity. And who could forget the legendary Louise Bennett-Coverley, affectionately known as Miss Lou? This trailblazing poet and performer was instrumental in elevating Jamaica's vibrant patois dialect and rich folk traditions to the legitimacy they deserved through her powerful literary works and subversive satirical performances. Poets. The poetic voices of Jamaica resonate with a powerful, soulful rhythm and unflinching truth. Claude McKay, considered one of the most influential figures of the Harlem Renaissance, confronted racial injustice head-on through verse that celebrated Black life and the African diaspora experience. Poems like If We Must Die transformed him into a revered voice for the oppressed. For former Poet Laureate Mervyn Morris, his writing is an elegant, nuanced exploration of love, loss, and the intricate layers of Jamaican identity. Morris's seminal works like Shadowboxing and The Cricket Match Revisited demonstrate his gift for capturing the island's spirit through vivid imagery and piercing emotional depth. Olive Sr. is a true literary force with award-winning poetry and short stories that immerse readers in Jamaica's natural beauty, complicated history, and resilient culture. Her writing seamlessly blends the personal and political, celebrating Jamaica's vibrant traditions while laying bare its harsh truths and societal ills. Artists. The artists of Jamaica have visually captured the essence of their island, home through a kaleidoscope of vibrant colors, powerful symbols, and distinctive techniques. The pioneering works of sculptor and painter Edna Manley drew inspiration from Jamaican folklore, mythology, and the African diaspora experience. Her iconic Negro sculpture gardens and emotionally charged mixed media pieces like Pensur are a celebration of Jamaica's cultural heritage. Albert Huey's breathtaking landscapes and intimate scenes of everyday Jamaican life immerse viewers in the island's natural and human beauty. His mastery of light and color brings the lush countryside, sun-drenched beaches, and bustling markets to vivid life on canvas. Self-taught intuitive artist Malika Capo, Reynolds fused his Jamaican spiritual traditions and personal pain into strikingly expressive symbolic works, filled with ancestral figures, eyes, hearts, and deeply symbolic imagery. His paintings, like the revered tenement yard, confront viewers with raw humanity. Musicians. When it comes to music, Jamaica has birthed some of the most transcendent, influential, and culturally impactful artists the world has ever witnessed. The immortal Bob Marley, the undisputed king of reggae, not only brought the genre to global prominence, but used his uplifting anthems and powerful lyrics as a vessel for profound messages of justice, unity, and progressive social change. Jimmy Cliff's versatile artistry has allowed him to achieve massive crossover success, blending reggae, ska, rock-steady soul, and more into an eclectic, irresistible sound. From classics like The Harder They Come to energizing concert performances, Cliff's music has transcended boundaries. The Roots reggae legend, the powerful vocals of Winston Rodney, better known by the stage name Burning Spear, has delivered conscious, provocative lyrics addressing societal ills and oppression for decades. Uncompromising albums like Marcus Garvey showcase their unparalleled abilities to fuse captivating grooves with activism. Jamaica's literary giants, poets, artists, and musicians have enriched the global cultural landscape in profound, lasting ways. From the pages of their novels and poetry volumes, to the canvases of their vibrant paintings and the irresistible rhythms of their music, these remarkable creative visionaries have generously invited the world to experience their stories, perspectives, and unbridled talents. Let's celebrate these Jamaican luminaries and the indelible legacy they have etched into our collective human experience. Immerse yourself in their works. Let their words, images, and melodies wash over you and prepare to be transformed. Join the conversation in the comments section below. And if you have not yet done so, please subscribe to our channel, Impacting Jamaica.